This video will provide an overview of advanced navigation in ArchivesSpace. There are three main components to a finding aid in ArchivesSpace: the collection overview, collection organization, and container inventory. There is also a collection organization window on the right side of the screen. This can be expanded by selecting the left side of the window and dragging it to the left. These different options will help you navigate the finding aid. We are currently looking at the collection overview. The scope and content note provides some basic background on the collection, including the date range of the materials, the types of materials included, individuals represented in the collection, and any topics covered by the collection. Clicking Expand All will provide additional information, which can include the arrangement of papers or how the materials were organized by an archivist. Let's go back to the collection organization window to the right. I recommend expanding this window for easier navigation. You can search within the entire collection by entering a search term in the Search Collection field at the top. However, it is important to note that this function only searches the collection inventory or archival objects within the collection, not the collection level description. So, if you use the same search term in the Search Collection field as you did in your initial search from the home page, you may not get the same results. You can also limit your search by entering a specific date range. Click the Search button. This brings us to a list of results from within this collection. Just under the title, you can see what kind of record this result is, for example, a series or a file, i.e. a box and folder number. Clicking on the title takes me to the archival record and may provide some additional information. I can then request this folder of materials by clicking the Aeon Request button in the top right corner. The collection organization window to the right now shows us where we are within this collection. You can also use the collection organization window to explore the collection. Clicking on the series, you can see each folder of materials below and select a folder this way, rather than using the search function. To return to the finding aid's home page from wherever you've ended up, you can either click the title of the collection in the top menu bar, or the title in the collection organization window. You can also browse the collection by clicking on the Collection Organization button at the top of the finding aid. This view mirrors the collection organization window to the right, but lets you view more in-depth information as you scroll through. Clicking on the Container Inventory button will show you a list of each box in the collection. Clicking on the box number, you will see a listing of every folder within that box. Once you are done looking at a specific collection, you can return to the main ArchivesSpace search page by clicking the magnifying glass in the top menu. For more information, or for help navigating ArchivesSpace, you can email us at speccall@uarch.edu.